Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard leather in RuneScape. First, gather your materials, focusing on dragon hides. Next, we'll cover the tanning process, which transforms raw hides into usable leather. Finally, I'll show you how to craft the hard leather itself, ready for your armor projects. This easy guide will help you quickly master the process and boost your crafting skill. To begin, you'll need to acquire dragon hides. Green dragon hides are a popular choice due to their availability. You can obtain these by defeating green dragons, often found in the wilderness. Be prepared for combat and potential player encounters. If combat isn't your preference, you can always purchase dragon hides directly from the Grand Exchange for a quicker start. Once you have your dragon hides, head to a tanner. The Al-Kharid tanner is a convenient option. They will convert your dragon hides into hard leather for a small fee, usually around 20 coins per hide. After tanning, use a crafting needle and thread on the hard leather to create various armor pieces. Each piece crafted grants valuable crafting experience. Crafting hard leather is a fantastic way to gain crafting experience, especially for lower to mid-level players. The armor you create from hard leather provides decent defensive bonuses, making it useful for many combat situations. For efficiency, consider bringing an amulet of glory for quick teleports to a bank and back to the tanner, maximizing your production rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.